Welcome back to Daytime, everyone. Well, hurricane season is here, and so we thought what better time to bring in our favorite weather guy, meteorologist. Brad Sowder is here, and he's going to help us all get prepared no matter where we live in Texas. Thanks for hanging out.
Yeah, sure. Same day you brought in Santa, and you got me, so everything's normal.
He goes, what's Santa doing here? We don't normally talk about him in July, but we are today. All right, so you've got some trivia questions.
Yeah, you guys like trivia. I just saw the last segment. So without further ado, you're playing X, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, here we are.
We're good.
Number one.
Wait, X, come in. I guess you're playing X. It's a competition. Come in.
Here, I'm here.
He's ready. He's always up for a game.
How many hurricanes have made landfall in Texas since records began in 1851?
Oh, my goodness.
Okay, let's just get, I'm going to say I'm going to go C, over 60.
Okay. I'm going to say over 80.
Okay.
All right, you guys are both doing pretty well with this. You've done this before. The answer.
Yes.
That is one for Kimberly.
Okay.
One for Kimberly.
That's
so yeah, over 60 hurricanes. I mean, that's 100. You know, that's a lot of years. 175 years. So.
Wow.
All right. So here we go. Number two. What is the deadliest natural disaster in U.S. history that also struck Texas?
I'm going to say Harvey. I'm going to go with A.
Harvey. Harvey is bad.
What are you doing? What are you going with X?
Let me just go with what you said. I'm gonna go Harvey as well.
Okay.
Try another one.
Okay, so we got it wrong.
Galveston.
Okay, Galveston. So you both are going to be incorrect, first of all, on the Harvey, but you were correct on the Galveston.
Okay.
The big bad Galveston, 1900. Look at that, 8,000 to 12,000. That is the deadliest natural disaster in American history.
And it was in Galveston.
It's in Galveston, and you go to Galveston, and they literally had to bury all the bodies because it had too many people in the ground. They didn't mass graves, and that helped raise up the land actually in Galveston. And so that takes us to the very next question.
Okay.
How high did they have to raise the land in Galveston, including those 8,000 to 12,000 people?
I'm going 25 feet.
25 feet.
I'm going to say 17.
17, up to 17. Okay, well, one of you got it exactly correct, and that is...
Xavier!
Finally!
We are one apiece.
Look at you keeping that score in your head. Good job.
So next up, in Texas, hurricanes, what is the biggest killer? What are we worried about the most?
The
winds, tornadoes, storm surge, or lightning?
Storm surge. I'm going to say C, storm surge.
I'm going to go with lightning.
I'm going to go with lightning.
Okay.
Yes.
Actually in hurricanes, there is not very much lightning.
Well,
not very much
that's
lightning.
true. I didn't even think about
So
that.
storm surge.
Dang it.
Storm surge, that's 2 for Kimberly and 1 for X.
Thank
All right,
you.
how much rain did Harvey drop near Nederland, Texas, or Nederland, in 2017?
Oh, goodness gracious.
I'll give you a hint.
Okay.
It was a lot.
Okay, all of that's a lot, Brad. I'm going to go with B, 40.
Okay.
I'm going to say A, 30.12.
Okay, so the correct answer is neither of those.
Well,
It
of
was
course not.
60 inches of rain.
How is that
My
humanly
goodness.
possible?
Yeah, so it was a record for the United States from a tropical system. Isn't that wild?
Goodness.
All right, a couple more questions. I think
Okay.
it's still 2-1. How many people evacuated from Rita? So Rita was right after Katrina, so people were scared.
Okay, I'm going to say 500,000.
Okay.
I'm going to go with 1 million because I don't think it was the other ones.
Okay. Correct answer here?
No way.
Over 2.5.
What?
Over 2.5.
Well, I'm
largest
glad,
evacuation. Yeah, Katrina just happened, and they're like, this could be Katrina
I'm out.
again. Yeah.
Well, that makes sense.
Probably over evacuations maybe even happened.
Right. And it created its other problems, but a lot of them came to San Antonio too. So.
Yes, they did.
All right, we got a couple more questions. Let's see if we can. Here we go. Oh, whoops. Oh, uh-oh. Wait, no.
You're going backwards.
Hold on a minute.
Wait, minute.
Next
one.
Number 7.
Number 7.
Should be next.
Should be next. Here
There
it
it
is.
is.
There we go.
Okay, approximately how much damage did Harvey cause? How about this?
I'm going to say
Damage.
125.
125.
I'm going to go with 75 billion.
75 bills. It was. Okay.
All of that is a lot.
That is
Every
3
answer was-
to 1. So
All
I
right.
think.
Do you mean it alone?
Without
Hey,
further
who's
ado,
that guy? It's you again. It's Brad Burgundy, y'all. Brad Burgundy.
We all won because of that picture.
Yeah, we did. By the way, if you're just joining us, it's National Anchorman Day. The movie Anchorman. What's your favorite quote if you had to pick?
No, I can't say that one.
I knew it. I knew he was going to say that. I
Those are
knew
my
it.
favorite too, Brad. Just one.
I have a lot of mahogany
Yes.
books or something.
Yes, made of
Leather-bound books.
rich
Leather-bound
mahogany.
books,
yes.
Yes. Oh God, I love that guy. Do we have time to do the? Okay, we do. Okay,
All right.
let's walk over, guys. Let's walk together.
You can choose one item. This is
Okay.
survival, okay?
Okay.
You got to evacuate now. We're going.
we can just
the
get
storm
one?
is coming. You get one item. What are you taking with you? You got a hair curler. You got keys. You got a phone.
I'm going.
You've got a flashlight.
I'm going battery. Oh, I don't know. I kind of want one. I'm taking my baby. What are you talking about? I'm taking little Lexi.
You're not going to go with a Sharpie?
Okay, so just
I'm
one.
gonna take my child.
Just taking one item.
That's just,
Your
or is
stuff-
this a doll?
Yeah, I don't know. It's a real baby.
I'm taking.
Oh, that's a
okay,
real
the
baby.
baby's coming with
Okay.
me.
What do you got there,
Xavier?
X?
Well, I can't take the baby now. I'll
You
go with
can't.
the first aid kit.
First aid kit. You know, that's
Yeah.
a great idea. A lot of people forget their medicines.
Right.
Like, you know, because that's not just something you can go in and buy.
Right.
So your pills, whatnot. This is a good one, too.
What is that? Oh, I didn't see
Important
important.
docs. I mean, you
But
know,
guys,
if you were
over
allowed to
the
grab more than
baby.
one.
Yeah.
Okay, after the baby, I would have grabbed a flashlight.
Well, you got two hands, you know.
And I mean, naturally,
Of
the
course,
curling
she's
iron.
gonna get
and you're
down.
going to walk, obviously.
These are great. Oh, and by the
Supposed
way,
to have water, too.
if anyone needs to change your tire,
Imagine.
or just a wrench,
Cash would be another thing.
Cash.
If you're ever trying to.
A little
get
late for this, I think.
I don't think that's going to help.
It's pretty breezy. That's not going to do much. Mary Poppins your way to San Antonio.
I am kind of hungry. All right, we'll be right back.